How to safely access underfloor cleaning sections. Carefully lift the floor section. Note that floor sections are very heavy. Each floor section has a chain and clip attached to the truck wall. Ensure it is fully clipped into the floor opening. Now you are safe to work in the floor section. To replace floor to home position, undo the clip and secure clip to the wall. Slowly walk the floor into its lower position. Please note, keep your fingers and feet out of the way as the floor is very heavy. Access external underfloor cleaning sections at the back of the truck body. Unlatch the right and left sides of the cleaning flap and lower.